Tasty travels, exploring foods from around the world. People all around the world eat different kinds of food. Let's take a fun trip and learn about yummy foods from different countries and cultures. Italy. In Italy, people love to eat pizza and pasta. Pizza has cheese and tasty toppings, while pasta comes with yummy sauces. Japan. In Japan, sushi is a popular food. Sushi is made with rice and fish, sometimes wrapped in seaweed. Mexico. Tacos are a favorite in Mexico. They are made with a tortilla filled with meat, beans, cheese, and vegetables. India. In India, people enjoy curry. Curry is a spicy dish with meat or vegetables, and it's often eaten with rice or bread called naan. China. In China, dumplings are a tasty treat. Dumplings are little dough pockets filled with meat or vegetables. France. In France, people love croissants. Croissants are flaky, buttery bread rolls often eaten for breakfast. Greece. In Greece, people eat a dish called moussaka. It's made with layers of eggplant, meat, and creamy sauce. Saudi Arabia. In Saudi Arabia, people enjoy kabsa. Kabsa is a flavorful dish made with rice, meat, like chicken or lamb, and a mix of spices. Trying foods from different countries is like a delicious adventure. Each culture has its own special dishes that make eating fun and exciting. Let's enjoy and appreciate the tasty foods from all around the world.